Hey folks, Dave here again with Home Remedy. I had a customer call me this week because their heating element went out inside of their oven. We'll take a look here and we'll see what happened. You can see here that the element inside actually burned in two. Lucky for us, we were actually able to find an element pretty quickly and get it delivered by Amazon in about 2 days. Okay, now that we have it out, you can get a clear idea of what happened to the element. See, it just burned in two. And you can see the other stibbles on here is from it basically arcing off of the bottom of the oven, causing sparks. It almost looks like it's trying to weld itself. Alright, so we have our new element in place. We'll close it up, test it. Okay, you can start to see it glow here now. Perfect. Working as it should. Now we have one repaired oven, one happy customer. So not all repairs are quite that easy, but some are. So if you have questions about anything that comes up in your home, or you have family and friends that need any help, feel free to reach out. I'd be glad to give you some advice or walk you through it or even come do it myself. Thanks so much.